Have you ever considered the toll that your favorite salty snack or sugary treat might be taking on your health? Or what about the consequences of skipping that morning jog or gym session? Let's dive into the world of junk food and lack of exercise, a world that might be all too familiar to some. It's a world filled with convenience, but also hidden dangers. Junk food, an umbrella term for foods high in calories, sugars, fats, and salt, is a common culprit in numerous health issues. It's no secret that these foods contribute to weight gain, but did you know that they also increase the risk of heart diseases? According to the World Health Organization, heart diseases are the leading cause of death globally, and unhealthy diets are one of the major risk factors. Moreover, consuming large amounts of junk food can lead to type 2 diabetes. This is because the high sugar content prompts your body to produce more insulin to process it all. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and eventually diabetes. Now, let's talk about the lack of exercise. It's not just about burning calories or losing weight. Regular physical activity helps to maintain healthy blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar levels. It also improves mental health by reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. The World Health Organization recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic physical activity throughout the week. Yet, nearly 1 in 4 adults does not meet this recommendation. This lack of physical activity is linked to approximately 3.2 million deaths each year. To summarize, the consumption of junk food and lack of exercise can lead to a plethora of health issues, including heart diseases, diabetes, and mental health problems. They contribute to millions of deaths each year. So the next time you reach for that bag of chips or decide to skip your workout, remember the potential consequences. It's not about completely eliminating junk food or exercising to exhaustion. It's about balance, moderation, and making healthier choices more often. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Treat it as such and reap the benefits of a healthier, happier life. This is your journey, and every little step towards a healthier lifestyle counts. So, why not start today? If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Thank you for watching this video.